All right, people, I got a great video. This video is about the this plan that I posted, and I'll show you when I posted the plan. But it's this Tesla Apple plan, and what I said in this video. What I suggest you do is you click on that video. All right, people. So what I did is I scrolled down the stream, and this is when I posted this plan, this Apple Tesla plan, January the 2nd. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna go inside this video. Okay, and you can, what I suggest people do, listen to me. You go into the screen, you go see this video and listen to what I said. But what I'm going to do is cover some key points and explain and show the after effects of this 200% gains in TSLA, people. Right? These are plans. And I also said about Apple that Apple was most likely to underperform against Tesla and stay in the chop zone. I advise you to see this video, study my videos, listen to what I'm telling you. If you fail to listen to what I'm telling you, it's your fault. You can't make money in the market. All right, now let's go and take a look at what I said in the video. All right, so I'm inside the video here, people, where I show the options, what they cost back on January. Well, they were based on the December the 30th close. And again, if you go for yourself, you can see this for yourself. It's documented in the video. What I'm doing in this video is guiding you to the facts, guiding you to the truth. So here you can see that the 220 calls are trading at 256 to 257. And the 225 calls are trading at an average of 140 to 158. Now, when this stock confirmed, one would be getting in around the 180 area. It did pull back against us, but one could have entered this back in the 140 area or re-enter the next day in the 180 to $2 area. So depending on your entry and how you traded Tesla, it was choppy, but like the plan explained the facts, this is higher. Now, let's go to Yahoo Finance, people, and take a look at what we closed today. 1 second now. All right, what I did is I paused the video where I show the chart plan. So this was the chart plan, and of course this is based on the 30th close, right? And this is the pattern. And I explained in the video. In the video, I explained the facts, people. And in fact, today it confirmed again. One could have entered that break of the 220, and I want to show what I said in the video. I mean, on my stream. So let's go take a look at my stream. Okay, so I'm back at Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits, and let's go and take a look. Let me close this part here and go here and go back. For fuck's sakes. All right, sorry about that. So let's go back. Let's go down. Okay, here. Let's take a look, people. I do post a lot of stuff, comments. All right, people. Yeah, you can see what I said here. They were up to. Oh yeah, this is just fantastic. But let's see what I said about Tesla when things weren't going so good that the other day. On the first trigger day, it really pissed me off that day. But in the end, Power Trigger Trade correct. Well, what the hell is new, people? All right, so let's take a look here. I gotta go down, 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 down. Okay, here I at 10 a.m. Tesla, I explained yesterday, as long as this holds above 215, everything is okay. Oh, this is today. Okay, I want to see what let's go down what I said, people. Exactly what I said, because this is all documented. So Tesla is confirming based on price action. I did post that. Then at 11:03 a.m. January 3rd, I said Tesla chop game in Tesla. Plan still good as long as 215 holds. A break above 220 again starts this move higher in our favor. Now listen, I cannot tell people how to trade, but what I did say that is if it holds 250 and you want to know something, what did Tesla do yesterday? Did we go, we held, we bounced many times in the 216 area. And those options could have been bought if someone wanted to enter. I'm going to show this. Okay, let's go to the charts here. Give me 1 second here. Okay, so here's the TSLA charts, but we're talking about this day, the chop day, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to go look at a 10-minute chart, okay? So if you look at we made the move, they backed us down, and you can see that we had a lot of support in that 215 area like I explained, okay? You see that? We opened up very quickly, okay? Slightly below to 15 for a fraction of a second. And look at the volume. By the way, people, look at the volume. Nice million there. Okay, lots of volume in the 10-minute here, right? And you know, right about the 220 level, we had tons of volume here already. You can see that. Here's the strong volume bars, okay? And one could have entered in that 220 area that I did explain, and it just off to the profit races you would be, you know, people making the profits. You know what I'm saying? This is power trick or trade here, man. I mean, who the hell put most plans like this? Wake up and smell the coffee. All right, let's take a look at the. Let's go back to power trick or trade on StockTwits here. Okay, people. And again, people, Apple longboard. You know, you guys didn't listen to me, but I did say that Tesla would be the best trade. Now, let's go to the Yahoo Finance, people, and here's Tesla, and let's take a look at today. As you see, this nice 4%, almost 5% move. You know, again, power trick or trade posted the facts and the plans. No one does it like this. And I want to show you another top day trader that totally got smoked by trying to go against my rules. He's a good trader, and that's to show you. Don't think that everybody sees what I see. Okay, that top traders don't see what I see. Okay, my February 11th SPY reversal plan says it all. So you can see that the options are up 250%. So you can easily say that a 200% gain on some of your calls was very possible today. And of course, if we follow through tomorrow, if someone could still hold, this is weekly options, people. Okay, that means you have to be very precise on entry, and that's what I'm special. I'm power trick or trade. I'm a specialist. What I do, nobody does this stuff, man. Okay, I do this with weekly options all the time. I will show you some great stuff, people. So so let's take a look at so there you have the great move. You know, that's today, right? This is based on January the 4th close, which is 226, almost 227, basically 227. That's based on that on TSLA today, January the 4th. Okay, 2 days, man. 2 days, 200% gains. You know, you don't need a lot. Listen, if you have good time and skills and plans like power trick or trade, you can make a lot of money with weekly options. Okay, I've done this with Google, and I've done this with Tesla many times. People, study what I say word for word. If you're not listening to what I'm saying and listening to my videos, you are doing yourself harm, and you deserve to lose money 10 times over by not listening to power trick or trade. All right. So let me make a point of this guy's a pretty good trader. I want to show you guys something. All right. Stock Bookie. This guy here is a good day trader, right? But let's take a look what he said about TSLA. So we'll go down his stream. Give me 1 second here. So here he talks about TSLA a few times. Let me go down. So here is average short price at 223.35. So you can see that he got pretty much smoked. He added more short. He kept shorting it. Now, this guy here, don't get me wrong. I think this guy's a good trader at what he does. He's probably one of the best, day traders on StockTwits. However, when it comes to something against my plans, I smoke the many top traders out there. I smoke them. Okay, and I do day trading but not like this, much more advanced, based on my visionary lines and within my plans. Okay, like Tesla was day traded by me a little bit to get better pricing, but that's another story, and that I will explain in the future, people. But like I'm saying, this guy got smoked. Take a look, right? This guy's, listen to me, he was shorting this thing. This is small-minded day trading, okay? I'm saying this guy's a good day trader, but when it comes to going against my plans, and I even warned that getting above 222. I want to show you another thing what I said, just to show you how I smoke some top traders. This guy's a good trader, but nothing like power trick or trade, people. Nothing like power trick or trade. Even the world record holder, I smoked based on what I said on the SPY February 11th plan. I smoked him big time. If you want to, I'll show you where to look. 1 second here. All right, people. So what did I say here about Tesla? I want to show you something here. Okay. Now, of course, I made more updates, but power trick or trade, I smoking the damn people trying to go against my plan, smoking them, smoking. Where did I say Tesla? I said this earlier in the day. Read my stream, people. You listen. Everything I post, I post is gold. Okay, gold. Study what I'm saying. I'm trying to help my followers make a lot of money. I don't know, man. I don't know how I told you people are fucking blind to the truth. Okay, blind to the truth. But if you study what I say, you will see the truth. Okay. Right here, Tesla. If this Okay, so I talked about the pivot. That's one thing, but I talked about another pivot. Just 1 second. This so look, this 22.70. But hold on a second. Hold on a second. 1 second here. Okay, here it is at 10:15 a.m. I said Tesla, a break above 22.50, and this could fly, an important pivot point. So listen, people. What I look at while that guy was trying to short it, while the stock bookie was trying to short it, I'm talking about an important pivot. And who was correct? Who was majorly correct? Yours truly, Power Trick or Trade. And that's the facts. Like I'm saying, that guy's a good trader, right? But when it comes to my Power Trick or Trade plans, these guys don't come close. And I smoked him over and over and over and over again with my plans. This guy was trying to short it. This guy was totally wrong. And if we fly tomorrow, he'll be even more wrong. So there you have, people, a great update on TSLA. Open your mind, study what I say, listen to my words, word for word. Watch my videos multiple times. Power Trick or Trade is the real powerful deal. Power Trick or Trade Shia understood that as making a killing. Okay, he smokes many traders that are posting on StockTwits. Okay. He went long in one of the GM trades. He made 60K in 2 days. You heard that right, 60K in 2 days, okay? And that's because he's following my Visionary Alliance system. He studies with me, and he's smoking traders out there, smoking them. 60K GM options, people. But anyways, back to TSLA. TSLA, great calls by me. Listen to my videos, listen to my plans. Thanks for listening. Oh, by the way, people, if you like more plans, all right, people, so here we are at Power Target Trades. Listen, you're going to see the Sandro Power Trick or Trade, you're going to see a circle. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to it. Subscribe to my channel. Click on that. You're going to see at the end of the video the Sandro Power Trick or Trade is going to appear here in a circle. Click on that to subscribe. But also visit my site. I want to show you something very powerful to see. Some more education for you. Watch my videos. Study my videos. But here's a great one. Go to Power Trick Target Trades here. Click on the link. And the link will bring you to Power Target Trades. Oh, look at that, eh? Look at that background. Look how nice that looks. What a beautiful site, eh? Look at this. Look at the animation. Look at that, people. So now we scroll down here. Look at the water. Oh, paradise, making money. Look at this beautiful picture here, eh? On my website. Well, I haven't seen websites like this, man. Anyways, here it is. Goog, 300% gains in 3 days. Apple, 200% gain. Listen to this video. It's documented, showing the plans, what the options cost, and the exiting plan, and what the options cost. This is great. It shows you the 300% gains in 3 days in Google. Again, this was done with weekly options for Google. Okay, with Apple, it was done with January 20th calls. Okay, this was done with farther out calls that made the gains. So check out this video. Do yourself a favor. And easily define that by simply subscribing to my channel, Power Target Trades. Look out for the signal. Click on that. Subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.